hope I don't burn these cookies or burn the house down. Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking some special cookies because next week is Valentine's Day. And quite frankly, I don't have the money to buy anybody anything, so I thought cookies were a good way to go. Now we're going to be making these cookies from scratch, so it might take a long time. 3 tablespoons flour, stick of butter. You didn't see nothing. Okay, so we have to heat the oven to 375 degrees, baby. Which one's the oven? Stove, oven. Stir flour into dry cookie mix in a medium bowl. All right, baby, we open and you. How many? 3 tablespoons? I don't think I have a tablespoon. I do have a tablespoon.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, dear Jesus. Ah! A tablespoon is about 1, 2, 3. Good, I'm so glad I bought a whole bag of flour for 4 tablespoons. Here's your handy dandy mixer. Add melted butter. Where'd they go?
A few moments later.
Oh, there it is. Oh my God. Melted butter. 1 huevo. These cookies are gonna be excellent. Get it? Egg. I mean, what can I just say? I crack myself up sometimes. Ah! Ah! I did it. You know, Mama said never to eat the cookie dough. But Mama ain't here, child, so, really good. That's an extra 50 squats. Roll dough out, floured, serve. Wait, what? Trying to be relatable. Like I did too much flour. Do I have a rolling pin? Ah! I think I'm doing this right. Now we're gonna take our little hot and we're gonna cut out some hots. Alright, they go in the oven. And literally, my oven, you have to turn it to bake and not broil. I forgot to turn it to bake, so now we're preheating. So it's gonna take a little longer. It's okay. I'll see you when the oven's done preheating. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I believe the oven is preheated. So we're gonna put these babies in, and it says to cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Let's go. All right, so I think the cookies are done. So I'm gonna pull them out. Ooh, baby, these look good. All right, so we're gonna let these cool, and I will see you, and we will decorate them. Okay, so now that our cookies are cool, we are going to ice them with white icing that I've already dipped my finger into, and sprinkles. So that is all I have for you guys today, and if you liked this delicious and sweet treat, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all next Wednesday for Valentine's Day. Bye.